How to adjust a Briggs Stratton carburetor. Adjusting the carburetor of the Briggs & Stratton equipment is a procedure that can be done in just a few minutes. Occasionally, the adjustment screw will move because of the vibrations from the engine, causing the motor to run poorly. Adjusting the carburetor will allow the motor to run more effectively and keep your equipment lasting longer. You can adjust the carburetor of the Briggs & Stratton engine, saving you the time and money of taking the equipment to a shop. Things you will need: screwdriver. Locate the adjustment screw on the side of the carburetor. The adjustment screw will have a spring between the head of the screw and the body of the carburetor. Start the equipment engine and allow it to run for about 5 minutes until the engine is warmed up. Adjust the speed control lever to the idle or lowest speed, moving the lever by hand. Rotate the carburetor adjustment screw with a screwdriver, slowly turning it clockwise until you hear the engine slowing down. Turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise with the screwdriver until you hear the engine RPM slowing down again. Set the adjustment screw halfway between the previous two settings with a screwdriver for the final adjustment. Tips: warnings. Always keep any moving parts of the Briggs & Stratton equipment away from your body while attempting to adjust the carburetor.